Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so what frame Ajoa searching.
Bo minimpa na se wo se head say you go say wo say you do shit you tip bot dem a ya pe e se car bi go e do bom say ban ya twe fom because mo ya man bofo wo man no me say e car me nkuna nke ja to ye wa sofo bi e car me nkuna nke ja to wa so no mu na ahye wo mu na anaso mu fie nkom de na jo adako ka de be che no ne ja ahye wo kofu odro kum chacha owusu bempano danka Williams na sefo oh you right in the name of God they all by there ni abubo ye mirim bubon kwase ampaye tretre yensa yeso obi de winga mo se hwan mun na mo ti o manu senkeja to mu fi ahyehyemu a enkenye a peace of mind because mo ye kwase asofo na mo begu o manu Sinyankupo ya dum dako one day na nkagra da bi pai na ewurawura mu fie wa ena esem ase a agyasa na so ka won enkanya nse nketete to man ka mutuwe mudi sa ahode na mudi sorry 2023 2024 eko pre enena nka akonya ba ese nka mu pushi mu san kwase asofo kro no ano kamutimi bi anwo ne kase da bi we dey mu super majority ntimu nkamo ntam munna ya tomotuaka ana matoma no zip yere zip atoma no ana madani nwan ana mo ye tifu se na ntwibili na mubuo uko ka o se ba mo bi nya super majority sa da e Ghana ana wasan de majority in parliament sa sha o musa se samusi bibia mo betimi aye samusi bibia mo de mo ba mo be ntem se be ya mo ho be ya hanti me change abato ndi MPs na amamo it is a MP before our parliament ya mo super high majority to vote and do anything you want to do and the LGBTQ bill we just one day they can sign it review they can do it just one day. Why? Because they have super majority in parliament. That's it the law. And the one among nyame ase no. Amfe mboti nyame ase. Nyame e the super majority amount. They can use that thing to do anything. Said you mutimi na so. One will say nkwasiade no mba omde say super na ye. One will say wa ha ana ato events chief justice a wonyam fum so bia yes see otu kwan wodi niku aka ho akonti just otu kwan wodi niku wabo niku ho ka de nako enti ya pam chief justice you know the reason why they almost be pam because they have that called super majority into the parliament they vote against but the main thing na nyame ma omunya sa super majority no say the be ya ombetimi di ade ntutuere na omuso ombetimi ayi ni naro nothing emu wan kwenu ho galamse ka ho galamse hu dawro mboy ne dia omo yeye anosimi majority na mamo enti na any decision bia on person mu take about galamse stopping no they can take it without any concern one say ho e koda e sorry no mo say only be the free be di levy o me yi levy no me di aba because o kai abc dia o started from A B C D asana ko yi aja se enti na nadu amfa di no di yi ni ba ye no ana mo se da bi ana mo di yi lebi na ko na ye 1 CD o ma se no ana ye say wo mo di ye 10 CD aba 1 liter 1 CD per fuel Ghana for so monte yetimi dina so one night e ko share sa amra no e pass one night tieniye omutimi esa so mu kwa super majority ntino ye pon parliament no they went back omkoye ene Ghana for bebre kwa nim enti kwa se for bi se di levy e wo man no ene we Ghana for 1000 down mu a e bi o mu 3 na 4 e na ati bi e fa se di levy they pass di levy one single day by ye levy take 6 good months near see my friend. And the mind I may be a question the Baya. One be yes, I super their control, don't some control. And until they pass it. Why don't you use the same superpower, the same supermajority, and pass the LGBTQ? True, no, Adena Multimin uses our then. And Kawedia, some George, you don't need President Mahama. Because all supermajority. Until you can use only Parliament to pass the bill. Brane 137. Some George we can march it. We are marching to our classes. We are marching to then the funny remember Jimmy for says CB. Say a funny I don't know. No, the or march or Parliament. Adaya or Trumo or Kutumo. Nana do not just over me. And Nana in Bobanefo. I know your Antichrist. And they're turning the buy. And I Dr. Mamumia. They say, or Jacobs Bibiasi. I know ye. On your Papa. Cremonia also LGBT so. And the same some George now marching. We are marching to our crisis now. No, this is a seminal Parliament. Or say, on you interested about all this. But they have super and super majority. There's nothing. What say almost by amendment. I say don't amend Mahama and come here and you do super majority in but one was this super majority in the area. You see, Anna they also in Kenya made this someone can say Muba. Mubet me as a problem. No, and Namia Mama Quenya say be a mobile so easy. We won't get opportunity for NDC to lead the country now, because that's super majority. No? You can use to do anything you want to do. I remember my let me achieve. Nagana for me about so we there. All the young kwasiade. And then central for any asofo so no mukebinu so a our mama no mudi say mo asem no. And the omu na so yamom card. And sofo bia ya man even saying card. Special card ya. Ye tuom card to say ye trade my foka. Kum chacha to when the payroll so me. Sa boa we ye tuaneka. Enti ebekwa ana say ye de bibia koso a enye mo mana obebi abeka onka. Ontiminka. Na me say nyame nkunye ni na yetiasi. Dachi me si din vi oha. Abanse ba. Nyame nkunye ni yetiasi a. Mumu bidie sa kum chacha we mbidie. I just say head that bem one on one say me head the boom mimpa. Na say wo say head dey say you go say wo say you do shit you tip bot dem a ya prepare it's a car bi bo e do bom say bang ya twon fom. Because we am bofo wo man no me say e car me nkuna nke ja to say you was so for be a car me nkuna nke ja to waso no mu na ase.
Mama, what check mama sampa. No headquarters.
Ye dey nyame.
What na me kwa to aba. This is to remind wa wo fie bia beto abase. Especially we support the time Mahmoud Bawumia. Dede bebrebe ni campaign wa ye nyina se obekọ na udin ni mu a. Wa ye ho abro.
Pam.
It will be ne. Bia me ka say fa phone. What's the code bi wo ha? You can oba you can check. The name is our code no. But God knows only man can find to go.
But the code they said to check your name.
Yes. In the system, yes. Was it what the code we have?
Oh, okay. And I check.
Mommy and patch and I'm fan to go. Ubokeka, you can check whether you are in or out.
Okay.
But time what printed they won't need me in class I later.
And so at the end they say they would deem that is why because on my year they are called round they are called Amobia ya.
Send a mammy who send me dinner. I'm sure by now we are checking. Good. So let's assume so we are checking. Now a good news because transparency baby I con ubi the actually ni pe con say we be so wiem what's the bro from friend swap story oh made me a mobo on say me dey anka me ni papa na godon mo no we ni papa no we wi me me dey anka me wi ni na godon no na wi am godon no na hwe me so that they prepare your mind in case say anko ya say me ka kire mo say o nyom wi am eti me pa mo chewo party headquarters executives or every step ebema dia that's transparent.
Yes.
Such that obi anya bibi at say boxer bi also on trust referee judges knocking it out. Knocking it out on that. Evidence in it.
Yes.
Aha. Onya bibi anti ye man extremely transparent. so the obi anya bibia enyina so I believe that Dr. Mahmoud Baumia yankopon sa wono so say sa ebinom agenda ne say yenko round 2 but I want to know
a brainy ho
but
when you have a leader and if you onkrofo na omo ben the most no etimi hwiri gina bonten I can't some a no I see a hweni tutu I see a hweni tutu
because with before so be move it to the with the jumano say utimi be a jumano for nipa 2 kra no a na say so mine bo abaso
exactly why are there
unemployment but so person the president say you no kwafo
and I make say shediness
no nipa minu and am nipa 300 ma for ma mitu omuka e be bo abaso but we need 300 and can so 7,000
or 300 there
and I make say even
we have my number
there be me say even if 50 kra na wa let the public know say my friend nipa 50 adwuma so I just say na no why accountable to the people now when you make the president people na who try to
oh I can't catch yourself one penasem but and yes sir sister Ajasafo Matisse and Crawford na ani oye yenye na ani oye yenye na mo refi say Era Kennedy so eye bribi sometime ago nyina ya betena ha se me be kan bi adwa sister adwa tu kwan na ye hu ba bi owo na at that time ye hia ye MPs ni all man of ye ni breye okay say ye betena ha man ne kwa de ye kan say ye nim what she's going through ti ama ye nkasa ye no ye hu se ne ye si enka no na bribi ye ne kwa o ma ye nyina ye hu ade anchi na wona na wo mienu you know what exactly she's going through and now you can find out because one no now what yes road me o ye adwa asafo okuroma say wonyina mote nyame po na meka enti me hu ni say adwa afa ne ho yaw and she didn't hide it kasa adwa kasa ye no o kan ni plain say ne o ye no eye ne ya and in her estimation no obi okura sa shuban ye ntimi mfa ni medi president enu nso nkrofo so omonti ase ena na meka no ye obi aso obedi president ani fi asem hu hia nipa etwa ne ho ahia ni chocho mu ntwofo no how he treats them very very instructive very very important nipa na ben no ne yire ana ne yire no ne mama me no ne maame ne papa ne nua mema na busuafo na dwumayefo nipa omuhu no on a daily basis nipa oni omote no sani o sini omotena no ehu hia efise sa suban no de besi abonten e de ababa ye Ayeka enti mo pa ye candidate analysis sister adwa na abeki
ya no apo baby atena Bible we asofo a fa Bible no ma enye wo God na ententen na nkyerɛkyerɛw ebisa kanea difo no a na omo ewo ho no ohene we Israel ne na odi nsem hunu a oba wanim straight na maka to se masa nsem hunu na wodi no on fancie but ene Ghana asofo nipa ye boni ye beka no na mo de akofra obi a otene ba bia onye hwe ena politicians munye sei ena sei munye unim se asoma si na ya de na enye no ensa wo se kire no ka kire no se ade na wo ye no onya no untumi nka enti osofo Wengam President Mahama you adamfo oye wasoriba afini obetuna akonya so no ensemu na wodi ni Ghana ha no wani tua tumi a waje abon bo ne niam oye wani tua en asnyame sofo wontumi ensekire ne nka nkire ne se masa dia wo ye no nyame mpesa because sa wodi tuompo ene beji tumi nu a asa wunya adwimi se enipa na wodi wo mo so sabi yanyamwa enti wodi buo kakra be ma nipa na wodi yenso no enti se de nipa na kosan la to abama wo enti ene oba ye eye obi hu imehi enti me ne be chia yam ma mi we yato ho me ne be chia yam enti amamu adwoma ha ma ebu no de eye vengeance awreto amamu na adwoma ha ma ebu enye se obibu ma me da bia me kase adwoma ha ma ne second come we o me ya de papa ba akokra ma o mai nu akọ aba 20% ama nyufie na naso na wagya ye hono asese sika no bia gu politank me no okono baby ɛno ara na wɔbɛyɛ ho adwuma na sɛ ɛba sɛ na sɛ wontumi nka deɛ a ɔsɔfo ɛbɛyɛ bɛta sɛ ɔbɛko ano atom sen sɛ wode bɛ wadawada nyakokodo bible sɛ pae mu ka nimu ɛberɛ sɛ ne berɛ ɛsɛ mu ɛnti sɛ wontumi nka no sɛ wode bɛ wadawada deɛ a woanka ɛyɛ na yɛ nyina yɛte hɔ na deɛ wobɛyɛ bia wɔnyɛ ɛyɛ deɛ ne a nsu anto adeɛ bɛsa ɛmfie naa no so no so wɔnkɔ koraa no a ɛbɛdum na bia nyame bɛku no ne tam bɛso ma nyame aku no ama no awu ɔbɛkɔ na Ghana da hɔ
Koka na wo kan bi person what for the said be you don't forget
Daru Obakaya President John Dramani Mahama ye interview bi oka say na nado enyo no de be face kan na ni nua na be wi esika no
yes
okay maka de bia say bibi anana John Dramani kan wo opposition ni bibi o kan any bibi a o comment about bia no opa the first 1 year ni hwe bibi o kan bia no o ye a chensa me pa cho boxing no said ni nua na kan sponsors no 2 car show na me